How to turn on or turn off Share iCloud Analytics on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down. Then in here, tap on Analytics and Improvements. Then tap on Share iCloud Analytics. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now here it said, if you turn this on, you can help Apple improve its products and services, including Siri and other intelligent features, by allowing analytics of usage and data from your iCloud account. And if you don't want to share, just tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.